In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Fruugo integration app from the Shopify store. If you're looking to expand your e-commerce reach, integrating Fruugo with your Shopify store is a great way to tap into a larger market. Let's walk through the process together in a clear step-by-step manner, ensuring you can follow along and complete the installation with ease. First things first, you'll need to go to your Shopify dashboard. This is the control center for your store where you can manage everything from products to apps. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the search bar. It's usually located at the top of the page, making it easy to find. This feature is quite handy when you want to quickly locate specific sections or tools. After locating the search bar, click on it and type in Apps. You'll see a list of options, and from there, simply click on Apps. This will take you to the section where you can manage your current applications and explore new ones. Within this page, look for the All Recommended Apps link and click on it. It's a useful hub where Shopify suggests apps that could be beneficial for enhancing your store's performance. Next, click on Discover More in the Shopify App Store. It's an exciting portal leading you to the vast collection of apps designed to help your store grow. Here, you'll find the tools you need to enhance various aspects of your business, from marketing to inventory management. In the Shopify App Store, head over to the search bar once again. Type in Fruugo and watch as a drop-down list of options appears. From this list, select the Fruugo option. It's important to choose the right app to ensure a seamless integration process. Once you've found the Fruugo app, specifically look for the Said Commerce Fruugo integration listing. Seed Commerce is renowned for creating reliable and effective marketplace integration apps, making it a trustworthy choice for your Shopify store. Click on the Said Commerce Fruugo integration option. You're almost there. Now, click on Install. You'll be prompted to confirm your choice. Don't worry, this step is straightforward and just requires your approval to proceed. After clicking Install, you may be prompted to click Install once more, confirming your intent to add this app to your store. After installation, there's a setup process you'll need to complete before you can access your user dashboard. This dashboard will allow you to view your list of products, helping you manage what you offer through Fruugo effectively. Take your time with the setup to ensure everything is configured correctly so that you can start selling on Fruugo with confidence. And there you have it. You've successfully installed the Fruugo integration app from the Shopify store. By following these detailed steps, you are now ready to expand your business reach. Thank you for watching and happy selling.